I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
Watch this video to learn how to use the Fixed Asset Reconciliation Report in Xero. The Fixed Asset Reconciliation Report is used to agree the value of fixed assets on your balance sheet to the value of assets in the Fixed Asset Register. Before you run the reconciliation report, make sure your asset register is up to date and you've run depreciation. Click on Reporting, then select All Reports. Next, click the search field to find the report. When you type Fixed Asset, Xero lists 3 fixed asset reports. Select the Fixed Asset Reconciliation Report. Use the date range to choose a reporting period. We'll select this financial year for our example. You can use the column drop-down to choose which columns appear on the report. Often the default selected columns show the important information you need to see. You can use the More menu to hide or show decimals in the report depending on your preference. Then, click Update to view the report. You can click the linked figures in the balance sheet row to view the balance sheet report. From the balance sheet, you can click the fixed asset values to view the account transaction reports to investigate individual amounts. You can click the linked figures in the asset register row to open the depreciation schedule report. Compare the depreciation schedule report against the account transactions report to ensure the details agree. If you want to refer back to this report later, click Save As to save the report as a draft or publish it. You can also click Export to export the report as a PDF or spreadsheet format.